Welcome to this tutorial on the Timewrap command in Splunk. The Timewrap command is a powerful tool that allows you to compare time periods through overlay analysis. It's particularly useful for year-over-year and period-over-period comparisons, helping you identify trends and patterns in your data over different time windows. The Timewrap command creates time-shifted copies of your data to enable side-by-side comparison of different time periods. Think of it as taking your current data and creating multiple versions that represent different time frames. This makes it perfect for analyzing trends, patterns, and changes over time by allowing you to see how current performance compares to historical data. The basic syntax for the Timewrap command is straightforward. You use a pipe symbol followed by Timewrap, then optionally specify the series parameter to define the field for grouping your data, and the time_period parameter to set the time span for shifting the data. This command must always be used after a time chart command in your search pipeline. There are two key parameters to understand when using Timewrap. The series parameter specifies which field to group your data by for comparison purposes. The time_period parameter defines the time span for shifting your data, such as 1 year, 1 month, or 1 week. These parameters work together to create meaningful time-based comparisons in your analysis. Here's a practical example of year-over-year comparison using the Timewrap command. We start with sales data from an index, use TimeChart to aggregate monthly revenue with a span of 1 month, then apply Timewrap with series equals short and time_period equals 1 year. Finally, we chart the values over time by series to create a visual comparison of revenue across different years. Understanding how Timewrap works is essential for effective use. The command takes your current data and creates time-shifted copies, essentially duplicating your data but adjusting the timestamps. It then aligns these different periods on the same timeline, making it easy to visually compare performance across multiple time windows in a single chart or visualization. For month-over-month comparisons, here's another example using weblog data. We start with weblogs, create a daily count of visits using TimeChart with a span of 1 day, then apply Timewrap with a time period of 1 month. We can also use an eval statement to rename the series from numbers to more meaningful labels like current and previous for better readability. The Timewrap command offers significant benefits for time-based analysis. First, it provides visual overlay capabilities, allowing you to display multiple time periods on the same chart for direct comparison. Second, it makes it easy to identify trends and patterns across different periods, helping you spot anomalies, seasonal variations, or consistent performance patterns that might otherwise be difficult to detect. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.